On today's video, I'll be showing you how I made $100, but I mean, it was pretty much just a break-even day. So, let's get into it. First of all, this day was like mad hard. Not really mad hard, but like, you just had a whole bunch of opportunities for stuff. I mean, right away, we swept pre-market stuff, had equilibrium, 79% going down. But then we also had this liquidity sweep right here. This liquidity sweep right here. And we had our fair value gap. And we also had our equilibrium to the upside. So like right around here, I was thinking longs. But then we kind of inverse that 5-minute gap. I'm like, alright, maybe we just want to go down. Which would make sense because we have that equilibrium right here with the 79%. This could form a 5-minute gap right here. And basically I could be looking shorts. And that's actually what I did. So if I go down to the 1 minute, I forgot where I entered at. Might have been on this one. Alright, bro, what is this? Alright, so Nasdaq's glitched out. But yeah, I think I entered somewhere around here. Because I remember I had this 5-minute gap as part of my stop loss. So I was doing something like this, targeting these lows. Targeting all these lows, and then I had another partial right here and here. So this is going to be my trade for the day. And as you see, I hit my first partials. And like I said, I'm really close, not really close to passing my account, but I'm inching my way there. And I actually hit my other partials and I go break even. And I get stopped at break even. And I only made like, I think only like $100 today. So I made $100 and then this liquidity level, honestly just like, you know, if I really wanted it to stay on, I could have just traded this with that equal or that liquidity sweep, fair value gap, and then I would have waited for a break of that high, which would have been right, should be close, right there, and you could have targeted high. But I didn't really feel like doing that because today was kind of everywhere. I mean, I had mixed confluence of bearish and bullish all day, pretty much. And yeah, low-key just a quick video because it was a quick day. I mean, just barely did much until we took out one liquidity level and we boomed up. I mean, that's all there is to it, really. But yeah, that's how I made $100 today trading ES as an unprofitable trader. Pretty much break even. Peace.